everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of March 14th through the 20th. And this week I am using this kit by Lovely Planner. It's the St. Patrick's Day kit. It might be called Get Lucky, not really sure, but I think it's super cute and fun, and I like the use of this teal color mixed in with the kind of more traditional St. Patrick's Day colors. I also wanted to kind of go with the gold foiled look, so I pulled some washies. This one is from Michaels and it is gold foiled. This one is from Amazon and it has like waves, but it's in green and blue, so I think it's going to go really well with this kit. That one is from Amazon. I'm going to use these two as my bottom washi. I think they should both fit. I have this one, which is a Park Lane from Joann's, just plain gold foil. I'm going to use this as my top washi. And then I have these three skinny ones also from Amazon that I'm going to use in case I need them. I can't remember if these boxes are long enough to cover both sets of headers, so I am prepared there. So I think that covers all the things that I need. I am going to put down all of that stuff, and the bottom washi, I'll pull out a couple of things I'll need. I'm going to do all of that stuff, and then I'll be back so we can do the interesting bits. All right, here is where we stand so far. I think that's looking pretty cute and definitely very foiled. We'll have to see what I add so that it's not just this stuff that's foiled. But we'll get there. For the full boxes, I kind of just want to use this guy, this little gnome guy, as my quote box because he's just so cute and I can't resist him. So there is that. I think that the yellow one, in addition to being like super bright, so it kind of sticks out, is also the next most like different on the coloring. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll use these two guys next. Sure. So these ones are actually like bordered. So I could technically like put something here in the middle. I don't think I'm going to, because I think that they kind of look cute on their own. Sometimes I avoid her kits if I think that the design really needs me to fill in these boxes, because I usually just don't want to be honest. I'm going to use this one here because I feel like the little like tea cozy and whatever seems like it goes with the big, like a Tuesday. And then this one that's like all about adventures can go on Saturday. There we go. And then these are the last two. I think I'm going to stick this one here just because I don't want like the turquoise focus, like stripy ones. I don't know. This is the way I feel like they go. So this is what I'm going to do. All right, there we go. That covers all of those. So next up is the sidebar. I want to use the meal planning guy, and then I want to use at least one habit tracker, maybe two. Let's go with two. I'm going to stick the yellow one in first. This is the color that I think I'm least likely to use in another spread. So definitely the one I kind of want to use the most of in this one when possible. Although I'm definitely going to have a few that'll be left. I think after this even. There we go. There's those two. Definitely still have some space left. I feel like I should have used a washi up here at the top, but I didn't. So I'm not going to fix it because that would require going back and taking these off and putting them back on. And that is, quite frankly, more work than it's worth. I'm going to stick down this washi tape. I'm going to stick down the meal planning guy. Like so. And then there's just like a tiny spot down here at the bottom. I think I'm going to use this really skinny washi that has stripes. Also have cat hair in here, in case anyone's wondering. Pretty common problem. And those of you that have pets, let me know if you also get pet hair stuck in your planner all the time. All right, that is it. One of my habit trackers is going to be for Pepper's teeth. The other one is going to be for probably self-care. But yeah, that's all done. So for now, I'm just going to keep going onto the weekdays. This kit doesn't come with anything that obviously would go with work. There's not really something for that. So I'm going to use something from one of these. I'm not sure what the best one is going to be for work stickers. I could use these gold laptops. I kind of want to go bright though. Is that weird? I don't know. Whatever. All right, let's see what we can do with these Creative Cavern Studio laptops. I think that I can probably make this work. Okay, so first off, I'm going to use a green one. And then I think probably yellow works. And then definitely this minty green works. And then we need one more. I personally think this blue or mint color can also work, so I'm going to save that. Thursday is going to look a little different, which is why I only need 4, not 5. I'm not completely crazy / bad at counting. I might have a movie night on Monday, but that's not totally set yet, so I'm just going to not worry about that. I do have my plan with me going up, which of course I did not grab plan with me stickers because that would be too logical. Or other planning stickers. Hang on a second. I feel like it's worth grabbing those rather than just using something else. I have them all sitting right here, and of course I didn't grab them because that would be planning ahead, I guess. Do I want to use the black ones? I think I do. These are Piper Paper Company Deco. I do have a discount code down below if you would like 20% off. Also, it gives me a small commission to her shop. So if you use it, thank you. No pressure either way. Anyway, my plan with May is going up Tuesday. I have curling. I don't think these blue rocks are going to go, so I'm going to use these match ones. These are from Prairie Planner. I'm going to actually have to order more probably for next season, but in the meantime, I'm just going to make do with what I have. It'll be fine. Let go. Okay, there we go. I'll need 2 for this week. I believe Tuesday is a late game and Thursday is an early game, but I'm not totally certain, so I'm just going to not write it down right now. But I do know we're playing, and we're going to have subs on Thursday because our teammates are out of town. Wednesday is just Wednesday. I don't know what's happening. Thursday, I'm going to use this little, I don't want to use that half box because then it's like, I'm going to do it anyway. It's going to be so much yellow on Thursday, and I don't even care. So I'm going to stick this here. That's going to cover work. And then also at work, we're going to do a cocktail hour situation. I'm also going to stick in the little match guy. I'm going to try to make him just a little overlap. There we go. So there's that. I don't think I need to label this as St. Patrick's Day. I think that's kind of being covered by all of this. And then Friday, I'm going to stick in my work, and then I'm going to have a video going up. At this point, I don't know what it is. By the time you guys see this, you'll know what it is because this will go up after that. So see whatever it is, I guess. During the weekend, we might, this is a maple syrup weekend for New York State, so we might go do maple festival things, but I'm not sure which day or if we're for sure doing that or anything like that. It's also the spring equinox. I have these Chasing Chelsea little spring guys, and I feel like I should use one of these. Maybe I'll just use this little yellow one. I just want to mark that it's spring because it reminds me that someday it'll stop snowing. Not going to be this week, but someday it'll stop snowing. So here is where we are with the pre-planning. I think it's looking pretty cute. I'm excited to see how it turns out. Definitely got a good amount of foil already, but I'm excited to see what else I add as well. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I love how it turned out. I'll do a little wiggle and a twerk. There's a good amount of foil on here. I don't know if you guys can tell all of it, to be honest, but hopefully you do. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit, which is from Lovely Planner. I have a decent amount of leftovers, which I'm going to just throw in my leftovers pile, which desperately needs to be organized, but hasn't. But I'll get to that eventually. This kind of waves washi is from Amazon, as is this super skinny one. The other one along the bottom is from Michael's. It's Recollections, I think. And then this top one is a Park Lane from Joann's. All the laptops are from Creative Camera Studio. The cameras are from Piper Paper Company. This is a Dollar Tree, My Planner Life UK. This leftover, I think, is from Britannia Nicole. She doesn't have her shop anymore. Not totally confident on that, but the paper makes me think that's the case. The Happy Planner, Prairie Planner. I think this is probably a Plannerology Studio leftover. Another Dollar Tree, Piper Paper Company, Prairie Planner. Hobby Lobby, it's an Agenda 52 book from Hobby Lobby. Creative Camera Studio, Piper Paper Company, as I already said. Happy Planner, the Agenda 52 book at Hobby Lobby. Happy Planner. This leftover, I'm not really sure where this one came from, but I found it in my leftover stash, so there it is. Chasing Chelsea, another Agenda 52 book from Hobby Lobby, and I think that's it. So I love how this kit turned out. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know if you did anything fun for St. Patrick's Day. We had a happy hour at work. That was pretty fun. Not alcohol. We're a remote company, so mostly just hanging out for a couple hours. That was pretty fun. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.